Montgomery ground, November 811 Tango Whiskey at the executive with Zulu 428 right.
Everyone Tango Whiskey, Montgomery ground, follow the Cessna, head runway 28 right, taxi to Juliet Hotel Alpha, in same direction departure.
Juliet Hotel Alpha will follow the Cessna 428 right, and we'll just stay the pattern, 1 Tango Whiskey.
Alpha 2 Victor Alpha, be a left turn on the Gulf, and then the helicopter that you'll see on the ramp just heading to the right there, or okay, from your perspective heading to the left. The taxi lane is just before that.
Montgomery Tower, November 811 Tango Whiskey at Alpha, ready for line up to 8 right, for to stay in the pattern.
Number 811 Tango Whiskey, Montgomery Tower, standby landing traffic.
Standby 1 Tango Whiskey.
Cessna 811 Tango Whiskey, runway 28 right, line up and wait.
Line up and wait to 8 right, 1 Tango Whiskey.
Cessna 4922 Delta, Montgomery Tower, standby.
Approaching runway 28 right.
Montgomery Tower,
entered runway 28 right, 1,402 meters remaining.
Full stop taxi backs, closed right traffic.
Retract 214 Montgomery Tower, standby, your number 3. Cessna 7 Hotel Yankee, turn left at Mike, hold short of runway 28 left.
Left Mike, hold short 28 left, 7 Hotel Yankee.
Cessna 1 Tango Whiskey, make right traffic, runway 28 right, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff to 8 right, 1 Tango Whiskey.
Montgomery Tower, Skyhawk 20543, foot of Gillespie, 3,500 inbound, full from
Tower available, temperature, pressure green, airspeed alive.
Cessna 20543 Montgomery ground, correct to Montgomery Tower. Flight southbound, disregard. Cessna 20543, flight of Mount Helix and then enter straight in runway 28 right.
Mount Helix and then straight in for 28 right, 543.
Okay, we have this beautiful flaps. It will be used.
Stone Hotel Yankee, cross by 2 left, contact ground. Cross 2 left, contact ground, 7 Hotel Yankee. Cessna 22 Delta, make a right down departure, runway 28 right, clear for takeoff.
28 right, clear for takeoff, 22 Delta.
Cessna 543, parallel final for now, traffic 2 miles south of your position, a Cirrus 3600 descending on the approach. You'll follow.
I'm looking for the traffic, 543.
Traffic.
Montgomery Tower, November 1124, Lima, inbound on Allen Stewart approach.
Turning before the Bravo.
124 Lima, Montgomery Tower, runway 28 right, continue.
Continue, 28 right, 2 for Lima.
Retract 214, runway 28 right, line up and wait. Traffic, 7 mile final.
Hey, we got a B in the cockpit. Hold standby, crew check 214.
Retract 214, cancel landing clearance, hold short of runway 28 right.
Short of 28 right, crew check 214.
Class Delta in 4.5 miles.
Cessna 543, traffic now 12 o'clock, 1 mile westbound, Sierra 23,300.
I'm looking for a man a minute ago. Awesome. I'm looking for
Just 543, they're 10 o'clock, going to 11 o'clock shortly, about a half mile, 2,300.
looking for
1 Tango Whiskey, runway 28 right, clear touch and go.
Clear touch and go to 8 right, 1 Tango Whiskey.
Montgomery Tower, Skyhawk 733, Juliet Whiskey, 28 right, ready for departure.
This is 733 Juliet Whiskey, Montgomery Tower, the direction of flight.
Westbound departure confines, 3 Juliet Whiskey.
Montgomery Tower, crew check 214, ready to go to it, right?
This is 3 Juliet Whiskey, make straight at departure, runway 28 right, clear for takeoff.
Okay, take off 2 right, 3 Juliet Whiskey.
Clear track 214, roger.
And Tower, Skyhawk 734, November Foxtrot, ready for departure 28 right, VFR to the west.
Cessna 734, November Foxtrot, Montgomery Tower, standby, number 3 for departure. Cessna 1 Tango Whiskey, Cessna departing.
Traffic, 11 o'clock, 1 mile, 100 feet above.
Cessna 1 Tango Whiskey, opposite, traffic opposite base with parallel as well.
Traffic inside 1 Tango Whiskey.
Sirius 24 Lima, if you can reduce speed, traffic will hold in position.
Traffic, 1 o'clock, 1 mile, altitude unknown. Traffic, 2 o'clock, 2 miles, 600 feet above. Traffic, 11 o'clock, 1 mile, 500 feet above. Traffic, 12 o'clock, 1 mile, 400 feet below. Short final runway 28 right.
Lima, number 2, following Cessna short final runway 28 right, clear to land.
Clear to land, number 2, 28 right, 2 for Lima.
Cessna 543, number 3, following Sirius runway 28 right, clear to land.
Number 3, clear to land, 543.
Montgomery Tower, Archer 3001 Tango, inbound on the ILS, over Penny, for 28 right,
Thank you.
with Zulu 301 Tango.
Archer 3001 Tango, Montgomery Tower, runway 28 right, continue traffic will hold in position.
Continuing, traffic will hold in position 301 Tango.
Sirius 24 Lima, traffic on base with parallel.
Look for traffic to deliver.
Sirius 24 Lima, turn left at Mike, hold short over my 28 left.
Traffic,
Turn right,
1
hold short,
o'clock,
28 left,
2
turn left.
miles, 900 feet below.
Montgomery 1 Tango Whiskey, next one will be full stop.
Traffic,
1 Tango
8
Whiskey, roger,
o'clock,
send down 1.
2 miles, 100 feet below. Traffic, 1 o'clock, 2 miles, 600 feet below.
Sirius 24 Lima, cross runway 28 left,
Traffic,
contact ground.
1 o'clock,
Cross
1
28 left,
mile,
contact ground,
600 feet below.
Clear taxi 14, runway 28 right, line up and wait, traffic, Cherokee, 3 mile final.
All right, line of point, crew check 214.
There's a jet on
Traffic,
the left.
1 o'clock, 1 mile, 500 feet below.
Two of them. America.
Cessna 543, turn left at Mike, hold short of runway 28 left.
Left down Mike and hold short to 8
Traffic,
kilometers on Mike
1 o'clock,
543.
2 miles, 200 feet below.
Clear track 214, make right traffic, runway 28 right, clear for takeoff.
Make right traffic, runway 28 right, clear for takeoff, career track 214.
Tower Cessna, Triple Alpha Victor is ready to it right, sequence IFR.
Turkey 01 Tango, runway 28 right, clear to land.
28 right, clear to land, 001 Tango.
Number 811 Tango Whiskey, turn base, traffic will hold in position.
Turning base, straight right, 1 Tango Whiskey.
Number 9999 Alpha Victor, Montgomery Tower, standby, waiting after our release.
Hold short, Victor.
This is 543, cross runway 28 left, contact ground.
Cross to 8 left and ground, 543.
Number 1 Tango Whiskey, change to runway 28 left, runway 28 left, clear, touch and go.
Changing to 8 left and it's full stop, 1 Tango Whiskey.
Number 1 Tango Whiskey, runway 28 left, clear to land.
Clear to land to 8 left, 1 Tango Whiskey. Good noise.
Cessna 4 November Foxtrot, runway 28 right, line up and wait, traffic in the downwind.
Line up and wait, 28 right, 4 November Foxtrot.
Protect 214, extend downwind traffic,
Traffic,
holding
10
position.
o'clock, 1 mile,
Extend
600 feet
career track
above.
214.
Turkey 01
Traffic,
Tango, turn
1
left on runway
o'clock,
23.
2 miles,
Hold short of runway
600
28
feet
left.
above.
Turn left 23, hold short to 8 left, 301 Tango.
Turkey 01 Tango, expedite cross runway 28 left and contact ground.
Cross to 8 left, contact ground, 301 Tango.
Tower, Medevac 1471 Romeo, wait to you on the ILS 28 right.
Cessna 4 November Foxtrot, make sure to departure runway 28 right, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 28 right, 4 November Foxtrot.
Medevac 1471 Romeo, Montgomery Tower, runway 28 right, continue.
Alright, continue for 28 right, 71 Romeo.
Centurion 9er Alpha Victor, runway 28 right, line up and wait, traffic in the downwind.
Line up and wait, line up Victor.
Cessna 1 Tango Whiskey, turn left to Golf 1 and contact ground.
Left at Golf 1 with the ground, 1 Tango Whiskey.
Traffic short, final runway 28 left.
Clear track 214, turn base.
Turning base, career track 214.
Centurion 9er Alpha Victor, Cessna in the upwind to straight out departure, runway 28 right.
Montgomery ground at Golf 1 for +1 fires, executive, 1 Tango Whiskey.
Golf 1 ground, what was the call sign? Taxi via Hotel Juliet.
Hotel Juliet for November 811 Tango Whiskey. Okay, see ya. Yeah.